y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So today is Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, guys. I hope everyone is having a great day so far. I decided that I wanted to do a Valentine's Day look. I know it's a little bit last minute, but I figured why not? I know sometimes people, you know, last minute plans can come up, so you're like, oh, what should I do? What should I wear? All of that. So I figured I would do two different looks. So one eye I have a very neutral look, and then this eye right here I have a more glitz and glam. So you guys will see throughout the video how I kind of achieve everything. So if you want to see how I achieved both of these looks, then just keep on watching.
I like shine, I like $1,000,000 bills. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm fine. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks.
Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead and start on the face. I'm going to start with the soft glam. Like I said, I'm going to do it on this side of this eye. So in the crease, I'm going to go ahead and go in with orange soda and then burnt orange. I'm going to kind of go blend the colors together and then kind of just add it to my crease. So I'm going to put rustic right here into the outer V area, and then I'm going to kind of like smoke it and drag it a little bit front and a little bit out to kind of give it the effect of a like smoky look. Like I said, I'm not going to do anything too crazy, something that you couldn't do yourself at home. So this is going to be really easy, guys. And then I'm gonna go in with this shade right here is Tempera. It's kind of like a bony, almost like a bony, has a little bit of a sparkle in it, but I'm just gonna sit it down on top of the lid. Pretty much what I have. Like I said, I kept it really simple. Like this is like a very, very simple look. I'm probably gonna add a little bit of highlight right here. I'm gonna smoke out the lower lash line. Now you could go ahead and add some liner, lashes, whatever, but I'm gonna keep this super simple. Not everyone likes to wear lashes. They might not know how to put them on, so I'm just gonna do a little bit of liner, and then I'm gonna put some, like I said, some shadow on the lower lash line and then mascara. Alright guys, so here is the completed look on this side. Like I said, I kept it really simple. If you know how to do wing liner, girl, wing it out. If you don't, it's okay. I kind of just tight line the top and then put a little bit of eyeliner in my waterline, and I popped the highlight because I feel like it just like kind of like completes the look. But alrighty guys, let's go ahead and get started on this side. Alrighty, so our eyes are nice and primed. Like I said, this is going to be the eye that we use with the Blood Sugar palette, so I'm really excited to get in this palette again. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the crease shade. I'm gonna go in with Cake Mix, which is this color right here, but we're gonna go ahead and go right into the crease. It's like a very like pinkish color, almost like. We're gonna keep this right above the crease, and then I'm just gonna blend. So once it, like I said, once you have it all blended on to your liking, I'm gonna add a little bit of tongue pop. So this is gonna be the fun part. So we're gonna go ahead and start adding some more of the deeper pinkish purpley colors. So I'm gonna go in with cherry soda. I'm just gonna like kind of like just dab my brush in just a little bit, top off the excess. And then this color right here, I'm gonna put it like right in the crease. And this color is really easy to blend out. Like I said, just take your time. Whenever you feel like you're done with your blending, you go ahead and stop. So I'm gonna go in into like kind of make it a little smoky out right in here. I'm gonna go in with Fresh Meat. It's just this shade next to Cherry Soda. Like I said, we are going to take it very, very slow. I'm gonna actually take a little bit off. So like I said, we're just gonna go right into this outer corner. Guys, so I'm so sorry. I swear, like, I knew I had that I needed to check on the time because for some reason, like, if you go over a certain amount of time, like the camera just stops recording. So I was in the middle of doing this eye, so pretty much I can kind of guide you through what I did. Pretty much where the footage stopped from the part where I'm doing makeup is I was putting fresh meat into the crease. I was building it up. Like I said, you don't really need to use a lot to get the intensity that you want. Like literally like just a couple little taps, tap off the little bit of the excess. I ran it on my hand so that when I was applying to my eye that a lot of it wasn't coming on and I could slowly build it up. And then I did use the Stila liquid eyeshadow. I almost like slowly followed the crease of my eye. I saw pretty much about like right here into the eye, and then I did kind of blend a little bit into the darker, more purpley pink color so that it's not just like a harsh line. And the lashes that I'm wearing, they are from Natalie Cosmetics, and honestly guys, these lashes are everything. This is the style Jasmine. Alrighty guys, so I decided to go with the NARS Liquid Pigment in American Woman. I feel like it kind of complements both looks, and I feel like if you wanted to do something different than a, you know, typical nude lipstick, now I do like Get It On. It's another part of this collection, but I figured that instead of like a bright red or even like a really pinky color, I decided to stay with this like medium mauve lip. And I like love this lipstick. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix my hair, change my shirt, my clothes I should say, and then I'll show you guys the whole completed look. Alrighty guys, so now that you have your hair done and you are all dressed for your occasion, I really hope that this video really helped you out. It gave you some inspiration to do something new or maybe try something out different. So that is going to be it for this one guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.